As you all know, my name is Ben Taylor. Today we're going to do an experiment with dry ice, soap water, and hot water. Yeah. And right here we have my one and only sponsor, Dr. Jasper. Sit. And he has a mad scientist lab down in my basement, and he just kind of lives there. Watch cockroach. Yep, that was that. So, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. 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 This is definitely not Ben speaking here. Hello. Yes. And my cameraman is Luke. Turn around.
Hi.
So, now before I start explaining, I'm going to have to tell you a few things about dry ice. First of all, it is very dangerous. Well, not like death dangerous, but still dangerous. So, you really don't want to touch contact with your skin without gloves like these, or leather gloves over there. But, anyway, this stuff is a special type of ice that is carbon dioxide. It's frozen CO2 gas. This stuff doesn't go as like regular ice, okay? It doesn't go from ice to water vapor. It goes from ice to gas. Ice to CO2 in this case, okay? It is extremely cold, and as you can see right here, I'm not even doing anything to it, and can you see the steam? Well, wait. Even if you can't see, I don't know. But it's steaming in my hand, just not doing anything. I'm holding it. You can't see it. Oh well. But it's steaming just take my word for it, it's steaming right here in my hand. It's so cold that even if you put it in your freezer on the coldest it can go, it will still melt. Or turn into dry ice. Or ice. Gas. Sorry. So, this process, which dry ice goes straight from a solid to a gas, is called sublimation. Not many things do this, but in this case, dry ice does. Get out of here, this is my spotlight. What are you doing? So, today, we're going to be taking a bowl, some soap water, and some hot water that I had to refill because someone knocked it over earlier. And what we're going to do, we're going to pour the hot water into the bowl, okay? So then it's going to be a bowl of hot water. Then what we're going to do, we're going to add some dry ice, and then it's going to start foaming. That you should see. And if you don't, I don't know what to say. I'll quit. I literally quit. I'll quit! No. Okay. So, this is what's going to happen. I don't know why I'm explaining this again, but I'll go ahead and do it. So, I'm going to go ahead, take some dry ice. Oh, shoot. First I should pour in some water. That would be smart. Okay, pour in the water first. Should be good. Alright. Get over the water so I can see. Alright, see? It's good water. Back up. Now we're going to take some dry ice and plop it in there. Alright, that you should see. Okay. Just, let's add a little bit more for Halloween effect. Alright. And this stuff is all carbon dioxide, right here, all of this. This process is again called sublimation, okay? So, what we're going to do is we are going to take... Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a soapy wet rag, right? We're going to put it right here, we're going to make a bubble. Yep. going to take a few tries. So this, we'll probably time-lapse this, by the way. Oh, gosh. Did not see that coming. Gosh, okay. I didn't see that coming. But... God. Yeah, we're definitely going to time-lapse this.
It's gonna take 20.
Alright. There. Now what's happening? The dry ice is sublimating inside of the 2,000 bubbles I just formed. Oh, one just popped. And what is happening here, the carbon dioxide that's coming up is being trapped by the bubbles. Okay? It's being trapped by the bubbles. Therefore, it's pushing the bubbles up. And as you can see, it's making this giant mushroom-like thing. And if you listen closely, you can actually hear it. Okay, now the bubbles, see, they're safe to touch. Yeah, I just touched the water. That's cold. But we'll go ahead and do this again. Oh, gosh.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. The bottom of this is frozen. That's how cold dry ice is. The bottom of this, as you saw, it stuck to the cardboard. That's how cold this is. It freezes that quickly. It freezes metal that quickly. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go right here, dump this out. Alright. Hammer time. I got time-lapse this again. See, look. It's frozen together against the metal. And I'm having to take a hammer to get rid of it. Alright. So, since Mr. Jasper here, he's a little bit scared of the explosion, so he's gonna go on inside, so... Super brr! 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 Alright, so to go out with a quote-quote bang, I put about halfway of hot water in here, okay? And what we're going to do is going to put a handful. You want more?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that's good. Before we go off with a bang, I want to show you something. Right.
Don't shoot it at me, man.
It's not doing what I want it to. But anyway, let's go. Oh, here we go. What this is the pressure building up, and right on cue, it's forcing the lid to pop off and have a big explosion. Should we add a little more water or ice to it?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's try and make... That was just a test run. So we're going to make this one a huge explosion. Or at least going to try to. So, water. I'm going to try and pour the rest of the water in here. Well, maybe not the rest. I'm going to put lots of dry ice. Okay. About perfect amount. Now I don't need this. So. more time. Alright, there we go. That should be enough.
My mom's coming. Oh, shut up. Shut up.
Alright. Here we go. Whoa! Oh! And that is how you... That is called skill. And this is Ben Taylor's presentation of his dry ice experiment. As always, see you later. Stay this idea. So we're going to take the rest of the soap water and put it in here. And we are going to make a soapy explosion. I don't know if this is going to be any different, but let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. And where's the hog?
Yeah, we're going right now.
Alright, sorry to stop it. My name is Ben Taylor. As you all know... Hi. As you all know, my name is Ben...